Hello and welcome back to another tutorial of Microsoft Excel Power Pivot. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a dedicated measures table to store all the measures. Here on my screen, you can see I have created a pivot table from Power Pivot. In this pivot table fields, we can see total cost measure available inside the product table, total quantity measure available inside the sales table, total revenue measure available inside the customer table. So is there any possibility to create a table that perform as a hub to store all measures? The answer is yes. Let's start the video. First step, copy any blank cell from Microsoft Excel worksheet, Control C, or you can go to Home and from here you can copy. Now enter in Power Pivot, Manage, and here click on Paste. It will ask a new table name. So in my case, I'm defining this name as underscore measures. Okay, and here we go. We have the dedicated measures table. Now back to Microsoft Excel, and from here I will transfer all my measures in this dedicated measures table. For that, go to Power Pivot, Measures, Manage Measures, select the measure, edit, and select the table name, that is underscore measures. Okay, select total quantity, edit, change the table name to underscore measures. Okay, and the same will be done for total revenue. Now as a last step, again go to Power Pivot. From the measures table, just hide this column from client tools. We have a dedicated measures table inside the pivot table fields. If you like this tutorial, share it with your friends. And if you have any questions regarding Microsoft Excel, Power BI or data analytics, do share it with us. See you in the next tutorial.